Hi, this is Matt Hillebrand with Don's Appliances, and I'm going to go over the difference between a gas and electric dryer. So when you're out purchasing a new dryer, one thing that one of our salespeople are always going to ask, do you have gas or electric? And a lot of people just don't know. So what we're going to do is we're going to quickly go over the difference between a gas and electric dryer and how you can figure that out at home. So if you notice, we're in our training room, and we've got this electric outlet here in the wall. This is a 4-prong electric outlet. So this would have a heavy-duty cord plugged into that. So this is a 220 electric application. So this would be an electric dryer. Now you may have one that has like a 3-prong, okay, instead of having the 4. That's just an older type, but that too is a 220 application. So the other thing that we'll want to look at is if you look behind your dryer and you have just a regular wall outlet with just your dryer plugged in with one of these type cords, this is a 110 cord. So this would be associated with a gas dryer. Odds are then you have a gas outlet with some type of gas line running from it. So hopefully this will help you answer some quick questions that you'll be asked when you come into one of our locations or if you order online. If you have any other questions, go to donsappliances.com.